Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit the round pearls with base pins. So here I have one of our round pearls, so I'll show that to you. This is what it looks like here, and on the back there you can see the hole for that base pin to go into, and our base pin is quite small. This is what it looks like. So we're just going to knock that into the back of the round pearl. Now I'm going to put this into some cork fabric I have here. So first off, what you're going to need is a bradawl or a pokey tool, something that has a sharp point that you can make a hole with. So we will make a hole. I'm going to do one up here. So careful of your fingers. There we are. Just push that in so it makes a hole big enough for that rivet to go through. Should be okay. Take my rivet and I'm going to push that through back, so that should be poking up out the front now. Now here's where the tricky bit is. Find the hole on the back of that pearl, line it up with the rivet back in, and we're just going to hold this into place. Try and keep it as steady as we can whilst we give it a little tap with our mallet. Fantastic. So that is not coming out. And that is what you should be left with your backing just there.